When you opt into this free training, I'm going to teach you exactly how I've been able to generate over $3.4 million through organic marketing, selling my products and services to random strangers on Facebook. So all you have to do is put your name right here, put your email right here, and click this button, and I will email you instant access to this full course where I teach you everything. Now look, this is no BS. I don't make my money selling information. I sell SaaS software and software engineering services, and in just 1 second, I'm gonna take you live inside my Stripe account and show you social proof of my income claims so that you can see that it's real, how I've actually made over $1 million in the last 12 months alone selling my products and services through organic marketing to random strangers on Facebook. So again, all you have to do is put your name right here, put your email address right here, and click this button, and I'll send you instant access to a full, in-depth, elaborate, step-by-step course that teaches you everything so you can do the exact same thing in your business and sell your products and services online to random strangers on Facebook.
Now here's that social proof I promised you. You can see I've already made $504 today. In the last 7 days, I've made $25,000 plus. In the last 4 weeks, I've made $81,000 plus. In the last 3 months, I've made $229,000. In the last 12 months, I've made over $1.9 million. And since I started organic marketing, I've made over $3.4 million.
Now I want you to understand that I'm not showing you this income to brag to you and be like, oh, look how much money I've made. I'm just showing you so that you can understand I'm not just making this up and throwing out numbers and be like, oh, look, I made so much. I want you to understand that this is really possible. I'm not a marketer, I'm not a salesperson, I'm a software engineer that started his own software company, and I've been able to fund that company to over $100,000 a month by leveraging organic marketing, by leveraging social media, and selling my products and services, which is software engineering services and SaaS software, to random strangers on Facebook. And inside this free course, I'm going to teach you everything that I do step by step so you can apply it to your business and you can start making more money selling your products and services by leveraging organic marketing and selling more things online. So again, just one more time, all you have to do is put your name right here, put your email address right here, and click that button, and I'll send you an email with instant access to this full, in-depth, step-by-step course so you can start making more money online.